Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ITLab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a new perspective assess 2019 Module 1 and a Module Project 1. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Let's start our assignment 2. It's solved step by step, focusing on title of assignment Module 1 and a Module Project 1. Okay, you can see this. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay, open the file npss first name. Basically in this step we will have to download assess file from SAM website. You can download your assess file from your SAM website. I will provide you a plus care in your assignment. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my screen. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Project steps. You can read this section. Homesteads partner is a farm their concept. Independent homeowners with long terms. Enter you work in the customer service department of Amster partner as a data analysis. Okay, you can read this. And question 1 is that open the properties table in datasheet view and use street address to rename the current address field. Okay, you are developing an assess database application for help manage and analysis customer satisfaction. Okay. Part 1 is that open the properties table in datasheet view and use street address to rename the current address field. Close the properties table. Open the properties table in datasheet views. Go to the assess file and open properties table in datasheet view. Open the properties table. Okay, Nivel editing. Open the properties table and datasheet view. Datasheet view. Okay. Rename the current address field. Street address to rename the current address field. Close the properties table. Okay. Rename this view, design view, properties number 2, street address to rename the current address field. Street address, current address field, rename as a street address. Okay, it's done. And short text data type, save this table. We can close this. Okay, I have done first question of this one. Moving on question number 2. Create a new table and design view. Change the ID field name as a manager ID with the auto number data type as a field name. Manager first name with the short text data type. Add a okay. Create a new. Okay, delete this. Sorry. Create a new table in datasheet view. We will have to create a new table in datasheet view. Go to create table design. Okay, new table and new table in datasheet view. Change the ID field name to manager ID with the auto number data type. Change the ID field name to manager ID with the auto number data type. Change the ID field name as a manager ID with the auto number data type. Copy this. Add to manager ID with auto number data type. Okay. With the auto number data type, field name is a sorry. Auto number data type is that here. It's done now. Add a field name manager first name with the short text type. Now we will have to add a new field manager first name. We will have to add a new field manager first name. Okay. With the short text type, field name manager last name with the short text type. We will have to add a two field manager first name and manager last name. Okay. Manager first name and manager last name with short text type. Add a field name hire date with the date time data only. Okay. Date and time field 1. Okay. Add a field name salary with the currency data type. Save the table with the name manager and close it. Okay. Field salary with the currency data type. Field is currency salary. Okay. Currency data type. Currency data type salary. Save the table and the name manager and close it. Save the table and name manager and close it. Okay, it's done. This close it as manager, table as a manager and close it. This question is completed now. You can see here, close. Okay. I have done two questions of this project. Now moving on question number 3. Open the properties tab, table and date sheet view, and then add a new record with log cabin as the description field value. Nothing that the RD field automatically increment to 7. Close the properties data type table. Open the properties tabs table in date sheet view. And then add a new record with log cabin. Open the properties tab table. Okay. New record with log cabin. Add a new record with log cabin. We will have to add a new record. Okay. New record is that log cabin. The description field value, nothing that the RD field automatically increments to 7. Close the properties tab table. Nothing the RD fields automatically. Okay, close the table. I have done 3 questions of this project. Now moving on question number 4. Question 4 is that open the properties table in datasheet view. Datasheet view and delete the records for property number 4 5817. Okay. Open the properties table and read the record and delete the records properties 4. We will have to read all this record, that is properties 4. Modify the fname value for the record with properties. Okay, first we have to read this record, all record. Read the records for properties number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click on properties 4 and read all this record. Modify the fname value of the record with the properties 2. Okay, right click on this and read this record. Okay. Okay, property number. Scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay. Okay. Modify the first name value for the record with properties to record 28 of 609. Record 38 of 40 videos. Okay, scroll down there. Okay. Scroll down there. Okay. Close that. Save and close that. Okay, this question is complete now. Now moving on question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this project. Now moving on question number 5. Okay, card read. Yes. Question 5 is that create a new query using simple query wizard. Close the property tab, city, state, and okay. Go to external data. Create then query wizard. Okay. Create a property tab, city, state, and year build. Field from the properties table. The new query will be named as a table. Table properties tabs title the new query with the name of city listing. City listing. The new query with the name of city listing. Open the query. Okay, state city. Okay. City listing title the new query with the name of city listing. Open the query with view information as a portion of next properties query to city listing is a new title. Okay, it's done now. Open the query view information property which shows in figure 1 and then close it. Okay. Okay, I have done half project. Now for remaining question or you want to read for complete course, please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quiz and complete course. Let me know if you need help in any courses. Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, accounting, finance, math and many courses. Please contact me through my email and WhatsApp. Both are shown on my screen and given in description. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.